The Information and E-Government Authority organized an awareness workshop for the public on how to use government e-services and channels with the aim to raise awareness and enhance the digital culture in the kingdom. More on this report. The Communication and Marketing Department at the Information and E-Government Authority organized an open workshop for the public on how to use government e-services and channels, which witnessed a number of visitors and civil society institutions members. This workshop is a part of a series of awareness workshops that aim to serve the public electronically through the Bahrain.bh portal.
Our main objective in the Information and E-Government Authority is to transform society into a more digital tech-savvy community by arranging such awareness sessions where we are helping society and educating the public to easily use the e-services available and electronic channels that have been distributed now in the market. With the increase of digital transformation of government e-services, we found that such awareness sessions support the community by educating them how to enter the search engine on Bahrain.bh, how to look for the service that they require, how to conduct the transaction that they're looking for.
The goals of the workshop are in line with the Kingdom's digital transformation goals, and it targets people of different age groups in order to encourage them to conduct their transactions and services electronically.
Usually, most of the practices around the world is governments and government entities are introducing the most advanced technologies, as the case in the Kingdom of Bahrain, where the iGA and the related ministries are always looking for the most advanced technologies, services in order to implement the services in easy and simplified way for the end users. However, in most of the cases, users always have a kind of a challenge to adapt or understand the new advanced services, or maybe there is a previous expectation that was there. I believe such workshops and trainings that iGA is doing is going to add a real new dimension and information to the general public, where they will act by their role to share that knowledge also with their relevant relatives and families.
The workshop aims to cope with the development of electronic transactions, digital transformation, and digital economy, and attract the audience to these services. Reporting for Bahrain International, I am Mohammed Yusuf.